Congratulations on completing AI Success Series. What you've accomplished is bigger than just finishing a class. You made a commitment to your own growth, your own future, and to becoming the kind of real estate professional who doesn't just keep up with change, but leads it. That's worth celebrating. Over the last 7 sessions, you've gone on a journey. You've learned how to create smarter marketing, how to build follow-up systems that never sleep, how to deliver presentations that stand out, and how to negotiate with confidence, clarity, and leverage. Step by step, you've built the skills of an AI-enabled agent. An agent who uses technology not to replace their value, but to amplify their expertise, their professionalism, and their results. And here's the exciting part. This isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new way of working, a new way of thinking, and a new way of serving your clients. The future belongs to the agents who lean in, the ones who ask, how can AI help me think faster? How can AI help me solve problems with more creativity? How can AI help me give my clients more confidence than ever before? Imagine walking into every negotiation knowing you've already tested all your clients' strategies, rehearsed multiple conversations, and prepared for every move the other side might make. Imagine your clients looking at you and saying, I trust you. You've got this. That's the power of being AI-enabled. The AI Success Series will continue to evolve, and we want you back for the next round. Because this journey isn't over. It's only just beginning. AI is new for all of us, yet the future holds exciting new frontiers for agents, like you, who adapt to this new, exciting, and powerful resource that is your unpaid partner in your success. So keep leaning in, keep practicing, and keep showing up. The future of real estate belongs to the AI-powered professional. And that future is you. We are so proud of you and your progress. Congratulations again, and I can't wait to see you in the next series.